My name is Dr. Park. I'm here to introduce you a VesselSizer. This product is produced to assist an operator with the measurement and the location during an angiogram and angiographic intervention. In summary, the VesselSizer has a 2 mm radial opaque circle followed by 4, 6, 8, 10 mm concentric radial opaque markers. This extends to 20 and 30 mm concentric circle radial opaque measurement. This is separated by a 30 mm where there is another 5 mm radial opaque dot. This will help with the measurement and location during the vascular intervention. Often, the most important part of the vascular intervention is a target vessel diameter. Here's an angiogram of the popliteal artery, and the vessel diameter here where the arrow is not often clearly determined by just angiogram alone. Here's an axillary artery thrombosis. The diameter of the axillary artery is not easily measurable. And here is one of the common problems we see in the cath lab or angiographic suite. Here's an angiogram of the carotid that was performed. The measurement is performed with the calibration to the sheath that's visible in the lower part of the screen. This was done by an expert technician. Took them about 5 minutes, and you can see that it measures internal 6.9, the common to be 7.1. The direct measurement was done through the computer program, which measures 5.2 and 5.3. This discrepancy is very often common and not helpful during the intervention. The VesselSizer will help eliminate this. Another part of the issue is that it's often difficult to tell where the lesion is after the angiogram is done. Here's an angiogram where it's clearly the stenosis visible. However, during the fluoroscopy, the lesion is not clearly visible, and it's difficult to determine where the wire should go and the balloon should go. And VesselSizer will help with this problem. Again, VesselSizer, this is how it looks in the angiograms fluoroscopy. 2 mm dot, 5 mm radial opaque dot, separated by 30 mm, which will help with the measurements as well as the reference to the where the lesion is. Here's an angiogram. Here's the VesselSizer in the field of view, 5 mm dot. Here's a 2 mm dot, and you can see that it's lying obliquely. The measurement should be done in the longest circle, which is between 2 and 7 o'clock. Here's a case example. Angiogram was performed. You can see the lesion clearly. VesselSizer was placed, and you can see the relationship of the VesselSizer to the lesion. There's a 5 mm dot, 2 mm dot. The measurements were performed. Internal is measuring 4 mm in the longest axis. The common is 6 mm in the longest axis. So the stent 6x8 was picked. The length is performed by 5 mm dot to 2 mm, which is 30 mm. And you know by visualizing it that this will require more than a 30 mm stent. This is pretty intuitive. And in this case, 6x8x40 stent was picked and deployed. Here's a angioplasty with the VesselSizer in view. As a previous picture showed, that we know that lesion is halfway between. Lesion extends to the halfway between these two markers. The balloon angioplasty was performed without any further angiogram. Here's a stent being delivered, deployed, angioplasty, and here's a final picture. You can see that the VesselSizer has not moved its relationship to the lesion. And here is the final fluoroscopy. The VesselSizer 2 mm dot and various ring sizes are clearly visible, as well as a stent and a 5 mm dot. Again, thank you for your attention. Please visit our website, www.vesselsizer.com. Thank you.